Teach what you know, do what you love, wake up the world with your work. This is Ian from Mindful Marketplace, and we have a brand new cohort community coming in April of 2021. It's 52 weeks of guided meditations, audio scripts, and private interactivity for professional yogis, mindfulness teachers, community leaders, business bodhisattvas, and inspirational, enlightened entrepreneurs. So essentially what we are creating for those of you who are interested in either teaching mindfulness or leading spiritual growth communities or offering helping and healing services to people that you want to impact and empower and inspire in a meaningful way. We are offering a complete training program that includes once per week a specific mindfulness script or technique or audio guided meditation that you can use in your own professional practice. And by the way, in your own personal practice as well. These are really specific and unique mindfulness-based practices that I don't think you're going to find in many other places and spaces on the web. You'll also get access to use our private podcast, which will have Ask Me Anything episodes with various teachers in our community. You'll be able to access our partnership program. In other words, you'll be able to actually promote our platform if you so choose and earn a great income doing that. If you travel within spiritual circles or work with other people who are aspiring, inspirational, or enlightened entrepreneurs, you'll get unlimited access to a private circle, which is an interactive forum and community where you can ask questions, connect with your professional peers, talk to others who are on the same path, and all sorts of other really cool and creative strategies for building your brand, your business, a blog, writing a book, everything that you can imagine doing as an enlightened entrepreneur. So we have really two separate focal points. One is the mindfulness and meditation area, let's say, or niche or space, and the other is the entrepreneurial space. So we can certainly help you build your brand, write a book, teach a course, all of those things we have lots and lots of experience and expertise in. But also, if you're looking at learning very specific mindfulness and meditation modalities, we're certainly eager and excited to help you there as well. Our mission is to empower a new generation, the next generation of mindful leaders, to build brands and launch movements that make a meaningful impact in mental health, community wellness, personal growth, spiritual development, and enlightened entrepreneurialism. This is really the community for, I would say it's the quintessential cohort and community. It's a year-long for anyone who wants to either elevate themselves in an entrepreneurial sense or wants to really learn a whole new way of living and being in the world from the standpoint of spiritual practices, mindfulness-based practices, evidence-based meditation practices, all sorts of very cool and creative personal growth tools and techniques that I really believe can be transformative with respect to our personal lives. I know they have been for me, but simultaneously, we're also really, really adept and interested, and I would say expert at helping any of you who are interested in writing books, teaching courses, leading communities, starting a profitable podcast, building a blog, a brand, and a business that changes the world and changes your life. This is really your community, and we are your tribe. So if you have any questions, our next cohort opens on April 6th, 2021. I would encourage you to either email us, Ian@mindfulmarketplace.com. You can leave us a comment if you're in our private community already, and we're happy to share more details about what's coming, or simply reach out to me directly on Twitter at Ian Hollander. I'm happy to share more with you there. All right, so again, we are inviting you to participate in our new community cohort opening on the 6th of April, 2021. Teach what you know, do what you love, wake up the world with your work. Thank you so much, and I hope you'll join us.